Hello, Nazareth Elementary, and welcome back from Easter. We are going to do a couple different optical illusions today. So those are things that might trick your eye. And the first one I'm going to do can either be a hand tracing or drawing something simple. So one could be the idea of tracing your hand, or I'll do another version where I draw some creatures. So if we trace our hand, being careful to go right along the edge and don't pick up the pencil, push the pencil around the edge of your hand, and you want to draw light as possible. I'm going to draw a little darker just so we can see it. Okay, so there is a hand print. Simple. Then what we're going to do is draw some colored lines over the top. Now, if you have a crayon, that would work. If you have markers, that would work. So let me test out. We've got a blue marker. Maybe we'll use an orange marker. Nope, orange marker doesn't work. Different orange marker. Okay, so we'll start with those two colors to make it simple. So what we're going to do is draw lines that go across the paper, but then they're going to go up and over when we get to the part of the hand. So if I draw a line that goes across, when I get to my hand or arm, I'm going to pretend like I'm drawing up and over on the arm, and then continue drawing that line straight across. I'm going to alternate colors. So I go across, get to the arm, go up and over, and then come along the bottom. Again, draw a line, up and over, and along the bottom. And you're going to keep repeating these lines going all the way across your paper. And I'm using the wide side of these markers because they do have we call a chisel point, so you can make them a skinny line or you can make them a thicker line depending on how you hold them. Okay, so again, up and over and across, and this is going to take a while. It's just being consistent. We call these lines parallel, right? One line is even with the next line. They go together, especially these ones are parallel lines. Okay, up and over. Uh-oh. So now we've got another up and over going down by the thumb. Okay. I've still got one. Up and over, and then a little up and over. And this is where it's going to get more fun as we go up towards the top. Okay, this will be probably the last one there. Now we're going to start making the little bumps. Okay, so we're going to have to go up and over, up and over, up and over, up and over, in, up and over, and across. Next one, up and over, nothing, up and over, nothing, up and over, nothing. Kind of little end part there. All right, now we're cruising. So every time I go over the finger, I'm making that line. Looks like it goes up and over. So it's like I'm imagining that finger is actually right there. And I have to go up and over my finger so that it starts to look three-dimensional, like our hand is on the paper. But it's just an optical illusion because it's a drawing. Almost there. And you can do this with as many colors as you want. But it will look nice if you do a pattern of colors. So pattern meaning we've got one color, and then we're going to the other color, and going to the other color, etc., etc. All right. So now we've just got that one finger. And maybe just a little bit more of that finger. And a line. And we have what looks like a three-dimensional hand coming up and off of the paper. So give that a try and see what it looks like. And I'll have one more video of another simple drawing that you can do. Oh, I said we were doing snakes too. So here, wait, real quick. If you want to do the same thing, get a new piece of paper, but with a creature, maybe something like a snake, just because that's really simple to draw. So if we draw a snake, okay, there's its head. Okay, something like that. We can do the exact same thing, and we'll do the whole thing. We're going to go across, up and over the snake, and across. Same thing, up and over. So whenever you get to the edge of that snake, whoosh, we go up and over. So you can do that with a simple creature. Again, I was thinking snake would be real easy, and then you could draw the eyes and the tongue, or whatever you want on it. So give it a try. And then I do have another simple drawing in the second video.